Welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna do this makeup look which is called Celeste, and we're gonna start prepping our skin with the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio sorry, and then we're gonna go with foundation. Is the Milani Screen Queen. Of course, as you guys will see, this is not my shade because obviously we want to make our goddess, our queen of sun, have like a light skin tone, but of course you can make it also you can do it with your actual skin tone, but I wanted to make her a little bit lighter, which is my actual skin tone, because I still have the tan of the summer. So right now I'm just going and doing my eyebrows. I'm making them just a tiny bit more darker, make it more exaggerated with the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow and the NYX brow gel. I love these two products. I'm running out of it, so I need to buy more for my eyebrows, of course, because then what can we do without them? So we're doing this. I think this is the second Halloween makeup tutorial. I don't know if you guys already have your costume ready, because like Halloween is around the corner. Then I'm gonna go with this wide pencil. It is from Wet n Wild. I've been loving it, and you guys know they're very creamy. So I'm making a sun on my forehead, and basically this is just to have and trace and have the shape of the sun that I want to for this makeup. So now I'm going with the ColourPop and Snow White palette. This is beautiful. I'm gonna grab True Love and start applying and basically just color the sun. I wanted to have an eyeshadow that has a shimmer, and this is beautiful. You guys know that the eyeshadows from ColourPop are very creamy, so basically I'm just coloring it in the sun of our Celeste. So after that I grab Ever After, and this is to color the circle of our sun. I feel like you can't really see it, so I think after that I went over with another palette, which this is from Wet n Wild, the Care Bears, and I'm grabbing Funshine Bear. You guys know that I love this gold eyeshadow with so much shimmer, and then I'm just going over some lines of the sun. Then I'm grabbing these gold pearls and applying it on the ends of the sun, and I feel like it gives like an extra touch, another dimension also to this Halloween makeup tutorial. So after that I decided to change scene, and the background I didn't really like. I feel like we were not gonna appreciate the makeup where we were before, so I decided to move where we like to go and do our makeup tutorial, which is our corner. So now I'm grabbing the Beauty Creation and Rosy My Michael palette, and I'm grabbing the eyeshadow called Hello just to start prepping. As you guys saw, I used the Tres Luce eyeshadow primer, and then after that I go again with Wet n Wild and the Care Bears, and I go with the color Tender Heart Bear eyeshadow, and this is just to start and having dimension to the eyes. I'm trying to make it not too deep, so after that I go back with Beauty Creation and I go and use Emi and Saul to start applying it on my lids. This was the first time that I used this eyeshadow, and I really love it. Of course, you guys know also the eyeshadows from Beauty Creations are very creamy, so then I decided to start using it with my finger, but also to help me out with the brush to blend it out. I feel like it's better with the fingers. Now I'm going over with 23, I was gonna say it in Spanish, with 23, thus just apply it on the inner corner and going towards the middle just to get this extra gold shimmer. Now I'm going with this highlighter from Wet n Wild and the Care Bears and apply it on my brow bone, but because you guys know that this was too yellow for my preference of highlighter, but I knew it was not a good idea to throw it out because you never know when you can use these kinds of eyeshadows, highlighters that are not what you want for an everyday makeup look. So now what I'm doing is do like a cat eye with a yellow eyeshadow. So now I'm going over with concealer. This is from e.l.f. Camo concealer, 16-hour camo concealer, because it is thicker and I feel like we need it for this makeup look. So I'm just blending this out like a normal makeup tutorial. So after that, I'm just applying some mascara to start prepping our lashes. I think I go with really dramatic lashes. I don't remember, but we'll see in just a few seconds. Then I decided to go again with this Fun Shine Bear from Wet n Wild, and as you guys can see, it looks so pretty. It has so many sparkles and it looks so pretty. This is actually my favorite eyeshadow of this palette because it is so beautiful when you apply it. So I decided to also apply it on the inner corners, even though it was touching a little bit the nose. Then I go with the Tulum palette from BH Cosmetics and grabbing Ruinas, which is just to contour the face. And I wanted this color to contour the face. I feel like it was gonna go, and I feel like it went well with all the yellow that we have on our face, and just basically contour our face like a regular makeup tutorial. And of course, after finishing contouring the face, I'm gonna contour the nose and then start blending this out. Okay, so now moving on to the lashes, we're gonna use these. I thought I was gonna use dramatic ones, more dramatic ones for this makeup, but I feel like it was gonna be, I don't know, like too much with the eyes, even though we don't have too much, even though everything is gold and yellow, but I feel like it was gonna be too much for the eyes. So I decided at the end to use these. After that, I'm just going to add some translucent powder. I'm not really gonna do baking, but I'm just gonna set a little bit, not too much, just a tiny bit underneath the eyes and also under the contour. Then I'm going to go again with the highlighter from Wet n Wild and start applying highlighter on the face to obviously illuminate the face. So after that, we're going to move on with the lip. For the lips, I'm going to use this lip liner that you guys know that I love, which is from Beauty Creation and Rosy McMichael. It's a beautiful nude creamy lip line. I said eyeliner, sorry, lip liner. So I'm just going to go over the mouth, and then after that, I think we're going to go with a gloss. This is such a beautiful gloss. This was from ColourPop, but I was like, no, this is not the correct one, so I went with Milani. This is such a beautiful shimmery slash transparent, but it has so much glitter and is so beautiful, as you guys can see. And basically that's it for the face. So I think after that, we're gonna start moving on with putting a lot of gold on our body. Well, here you guys see I'm adding more highlighter. Yeah, I thought we are gonna move on with the gold paper, but again, I got the True Love eyeshadow from ColourPop and Snow White, and I applied it, added underneath the eyes, making these lines. I was not planning to do this. I'm also making some lines on top of the eyebrow. I don't know, it's just like lines that reminded me of the sun. And basically I'm just going over or underneath basically the brows. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side of the eye, making a line on the outside part of the eye. Now I'm making here, I think I'm gonna make 3 lines, which I don't know, I'm just going basically with the flow, what I wanted to add at the moment. So I'm basically making 3 lines but different length, and I'm adding these gold things on the face just to just continue with the sun that we had on the forehead. And here we go, adding more foundation on the rest of my body, so it just obviously matches my face. And basically after that, we're just gonna go with the gold paper. So the gold paper was, I was kind of fighting with it because it got stuck on my fingers with the glue. It's very sticky, as you can see. Like, I'm having a little bit of trouble. So basically at the end, I'm just adding glue on my body, and then after I'm just adding this gold paper, and basically that's it. It's just basically adding more gold on our bodies to match our goddess, or Celeste. So I wanted to do something gold, cute, something simple for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.